हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड। आई एम किरण मैम। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर नंबर 7, क्यूब्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स, एनसीईआरटी स्टैंडर्ड 8. So what is a cube? You must have heard the word cube in geometry. So what is a cube? Cube is a solid figure or three-dimensional figure in which all the three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height, are equal. If we want to find the size of a cube, we need to find its volume. So what is the volume of a cube? That is side into side into side. So let us start. Volume is always in cubic units. So if the side of the cube is 1, that is length, breadth and height all are 1 unit, then volume is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cubic unit. For 2, it is 2 into 2 into 2, so it is 8. For 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. For 4, it is 4 into 4 into 4, so it is 64. For 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 6, 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. Then 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 343. 8, 8 into 8 into 8, 512. 9, 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729. Then 10, 10 into 10 into 10. Now all these numbers we got by multiplying a particular number by itself 3 times. So these all are perfect cube numbers. In algebra, what is a perfect cube number or a cube number? When we multiply a particular number 3 times by itself, we get a perfect cube or a cube number. For example, if we multiply 1 into 1 into 1 3 times, we get 1. Then 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. And so on. So 1, 8, 27, 64, then 125, 216, 3, 43, and so on. All these numbers are obtained by multiplying a particular number by itself 3 times. So all these numbers are perfect cube numbers or simply cube numbers. Next, properties of cube numbers. Cube of a number is written as the number raised to the power 3. For example, cube of x is written as x cube, that is x raised to power 3. Now here cubes of some numbers are written. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, and so on. Now we'll derive one property from here. See, you observe here this side all the odd numbers are written, and just see here all the cubes of odd numbers are odd numbers only, and here all the even numbers are written and all the cubes of even numbers are even. Therefore the first property is cubes of odd numbers are always odd numbers and cubes of even numbers are always even. Next, very interesting pattern or property of odd numbers. If we add consecutive odd numbers, we get perfect cube numbers. For example, here we have taken one odd number, so obviously it is 1 only, so which is equal to 1 cube. Next we have taken two odd numbers, that is 3 and 5, their sum is 8, that is 2 cube. Next we have taken next three odd numbers and their sum is 27, that is 3 cube. Then we have taken next four consecutive odd numbers and their sum is 64, that is 4 cube. Then next 5 odd consecutive numbers, their sum is 125, that is 5 cube. Now the pattern goes like this only. Next, cubes and their prime factors. Let us take a number here and factorize it. Therefore, 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here, in 216, each prime factor has appeared 3 times. That each prime factor is in the triplet form. So, when in a particular number, the prime factors are in triplets or appear 3 times, then the number is a perfect cube number. Let us take another number, for example 250, and factorize it. Therefore, 250 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here, each prime factor of 250 is not appearing 3 times. So, 250 is not a perfect cube. Therefore, if in the prime factorization of a number, each prime factor does not appear 3 times, then the number is not a perfect cube.